Hello, I would like to share with you a project I've been working on for the last 4 years through a grant with the Texas Parks and Wildlife. This is the final phase of a 5-mile trail system that covers the entire village of Surfside Beach from one side to the other. This particular section of the trail is for bird and butterfly watching. Now we picked this part of the trail for bird watching because it's right along the ship channel and it has native habitat like mulberries and hackberries and flowering plants. We have a little alcove here for songbirds. We hope to put a bench there so you can listen to the birds as well as watch them. Now this trail would not be possible without the grant from the Texas Parks and Wildlife and the support of the village of Surfside Beach, including Mayor Larry Davison, and the various volunteers that have worked on this trail for the last 4 years. First of all, I'd like to thank Mark Miles, who built this trail, and Brenda Albanian, who helped me with the trail for the last 2 years, and Sandy Shanks, with her expertise in bird migration, who provided us with a lot of good information on selecting the right path for the trail. We hope to put a little bench there. Here's City Hall. And not only can you see birds out in the water, but occasionally you might even see a dolphin. Now this portion of the trail is what we like to call Fort Velasco Trail. Back in 1832, this portion of the coast was called Velasco, and there was a fort that was built here by the Mexican Army. In June of 1832, the settlers, Texas settlers, and the Mexican Army fought here in what they call the Battle of Fort Velasco. This was before the actual war for Texas independence began. So this is the first conflict between the Mexican Army and the Texas settlers. Now here this trail goes to the boat ramp and then over to some fishing spots. This portion of the trail has grasslands and cover. Now I've seen cardinals along this part of the trail. And you also see a variety of shorebirds, including cranes, egrets, and of course pelicans. This brown here is the crushed granite that'll be throughout the whole trail. I'm kind of getting an early walk on this trail. I hope you all can come out and see us in spring migration.